Hi guys. It's come to my attention that I've developed a flat tire, and I thought, well, I'll make a little video showing people how to plug one. Stopped by a service station and they wanted to charge $39.99 for a tire patch. He said he didn't do plugs. I'm thinking, oh, come on, man, that's ridiculous. So just came back from AutoZone, got me a tire plug kit. I put some air in it using a compressor, but I mean, you could do this, you know, sitting at a service station with it that has an air compressor. Pay $1.50 and put some air in the tire. The idea of putting some air in the tire is so it will pressurize it a little bit, so you can find the hole. And you want to use some dishwashing liquid or any kind, I guess any kind of bubbles really. I've got an old paintbrush here. You could just throw it on there. I would imagine it'll be fine. But you want to put this all along the tread of the tire, and wherever your hole is, it will pop up. And I know where my hole is already. I did this previously, and so I positioned the truck so I could find it easier. And if you'll notice, see where the bubbles are coming out, so we know where our hole is. So we're gonna open our plug kit. It's a simple procedure, not that complicated really. All right, the plug kit comes with what I call this. I'm not sure if it's called a reamer, but I'm gonna call it a reamer. And it comes with this. This is to push the plug in to the tire itself. Now the first thing, and it also comes with some rubber cement, which I imagine that's self-explanatory for most people anyway. And the plugs, of course, these are the plugs. All right, instructions, simple procedure. First thing we want to do is ream that sucker out. All right, using the reamer, find it. Right there it is. Yep. How about that? Sorry, guys. I think part of the nail is still stuck in it. I hope not. No, I'm through. Okay. All right, now we have an official hole. Okay. Back and forth, so there we go. Yeah, baby. All right. Okay. Now. All right. Got to load it into this sucker. I may need some pliers to do that with. All right, guys, I had to go get a pair of hemostats to help me load the plug in. All right. There we go. Yeah, baby. All right. And now, I'm gonna find her hole again right there. There she is, I think. Make sure that's it. Yeah. All right, we've reamed it out. Now, take this and we're gonna plug that sucker. when you get started, do not pull it back out, because when you pull it out, it's going to cut the plug. And I did not use rubber cement on it, so try not to cut the plug. And didn't cut it. All right. Sorry, guys. Rubber cement. Important. Rubber cement. Very important. All right. All right. I probably used way too much. That's okay. We do not. Smells like airplane glue. So don't want to get locked inside with this shit. All right, here we go. Now, will it cut it? That's the thing. Gotta cut it. What if you're supposed to leave it in there? Let's see.
Do you need help?
Huh?
Do you need help?
Huh? Pull it out. Okay. Need to pull it straight out without twisting. Ah, there we go. All right.
Is that the plug?
Yeah. Sticking out of it, yeah.
And it'll just stay like that?
Oh, yeah, I'll trim it off.
Oh. Was it hard to do?
No, not at all. That's what I was just telling YouTube.
Oh, cool.
Saved myself $40, spent $9, and now I have 4 plugs left, so lawnmower or another car tire goes. Okay, guys, I put a little more air in it, tested it again for leaks with the soap, which doesn't look like it's leaking, so I'm gonna cut this off a little bit if I can. Yeah. And no leaks. All I have to do now is inflate it up to, I think it's 35 psi, and I'm ready to go. Thanks for watching.